What is happening, people? So I wanted to do a video highlighting the best deals that I found on Amazon for Prime Day. So in case you don't know about Prime Day, it's pretty much it goes on for 2 days, in the 16th and the 17th of July, and they have a lot of sales. And I'm gonna show you a few of them that I found that are pretty cool. The links are gonna be at the bottom. There's no affiliate links or anything like that. You're just gonna click on it and you can check out the deal. And if you're interested, definitely buy it. But let's start with this one here, the Shark 4 Fan Air Purifier. If you need an air purifier at home, I have several at home, and to be honest with you, I love having an air purifier. This looks like it's a good quality one. Check it out. It's $169, and it's basically 51% off. The next one over here that I want to talk about is this one. It's this little power bank, which is $179. Usually power banks are about $500 or so. So this is a great deal if you're looking for something, if you're into camping and you like to go to different places and you want to have some type of electricity. So this is a great thing, and it'll cost you less than one of those fancy ones you see on YouTube. So the next deal that I have here for y'all is this little tablet. It's basically a 7-inch tablet for kids, and you can play a lot of games and movies for them, and it's really good. It's only $54. So you're gonna get 16 gigabytes. So for movies and videos, this is great for them, and it's like a little toy for them to do. They might be able to do their homework if they do homework. So that's a good deal right there. The next one is this Apple MacBook Air. Looks pretty cool. $799. It's probably the cheapest one that I found. It has 256 gigabyte, and it has a nice display as well. So it has that Liquid Retina, which is just common with the with Apple, of course. So definitely you want to check this out if you're interested. Of course, obviously it is a decision. It is $700, well $800 that you're spending. So if you're making that kind of investment, there has to be something good for you. The next one here is this COMFEE portable mini dishwasher. It's for your countertop, and pretty much you can wash your dishes. If you don't have something like that at home, this will basically do your dishes. If you just do a couple of dishes there, and it's only $239, and so it's cheaper than if you got one that you had to install and do all that stuff. So it's really nice to have it. If obviously if you don't like to wash dishes. The next one is this Hisense 75-inch glass. Basically, it's a 75-inch TV here, and it has the Fire TV. I don't know if you like to use that operating system, but it's only $599. It's 75 inches, so you can watch the game. I mean, it's just really, an amazing TV if you think about it. And it's kind of thin. It looks like it has a couple of, HDMI connections here, so you're pretty much going to be all set. And it looks like it's good quality. And it has some pre things on the remote here. You see the Netflix, you see Hulu, you see Disney Plus. I think you see Prime Video right there as well. And it looks like it works with Alexa. So, obviously it's all an Amazon TV basically. So check it out. And I'm gonna have the link, like I said, at the bottom of this video. The next here that I have for y'all is the tire inflator for your car or motorcycle. Pretty much you can put air on your car or your tire, and if you just need to do something quickly, you just have some air issue, then you just have this with you, and pretty much it'll solve your problem. And it's only $39.98, nearly $40, so that's not bad for $40. Again, you can get this deal in the link below. The next one that I have for you guys is this iRobot Roomba Evo. It's pretty cool stuff, and what's nice about it is that you can plug it in, and it picks up all this trash. It has an app that you could use to personalize everything. I believe this one uses a little bit of AI, and it's also Alexa compatible, so you're gonna be able to put all the stuff in there and program it to your house, and it'll clean up all the floor. It's really nice if you're if you don't feel like doing a lot of cleaning in the house. So it's a nice little device, and it's 45% off. So you can't go wrong with that. The next one that I have for you guys is this Philips Fingerprint door lock. Is really cool because you can basically use a fingerprint to open the door of your house, or you can use a code, and you even have access to a key. So you have the 3 ways to get inside your house. Say you forget to get something, to lock your door, and you just want to come back and get it, and you have your car downstairs and you have it on, you're heating it up. This is a good way for you to do that by simply, just putting in a code or using your fingerprint. The next deal that I have here, it's a pretty good one here. It's a Lenovo keyboard. Lenovo laptop. It's really cool. It's $349. Really cheap, of course. And if it's more of an entry-level laptop. It's nothing fancy, of course. So you're going to have this, and it's going to have, it has Windows 11 Home. So I believe it's powerful enough for you to use it for a couple of years. If if you're just doing basic computing, if you're using, just doing typewriting, or if you're writing emails and things like that, it's great. Obviously, this is not going to be good for gaming or anything like that. If you want something for gaming, I might do another video later on today, but let us know what you think about this, of course. So yeah, there's this deal. The next deal that I have for you guys here is this little mini dash cam. It's really cool for the car. $71, good quality, and it even has GPS, and it catches the speed. So it also does 24-hour parking mode as well. So it's gonna detect if someone's near your car, and it'll take a photo of it. So it's kind of like what the Tesla has. If you have a Tesla, you know what I'm talking about. And it just supports, it records your video, and it even has voice controls and all this cool stuff. 1080p, as it says right over here, Wi-Fi, GPS, HDR, G sensor. It has a super capacitor. Then it has voice control, 24 hours, like I mentioned earlier. And it has 512 gigabyte of space here, so you're gonna be able to store a lot of data there. So if someone is messing with your car, that's a good way to catch them. The next one that I have here is this vacuum for the car. I'm adding some car deals because I want to give a lot of different things here. So this one over here, it's this vacuum cleaner for the car. It looks like it's pretty compact. You can take it and put it behind your trunk, clean everything up. If you're having any kind of mess, or if you get any chips or anything like that in your car, this is a great addition to have there, just in case. And it's a Prime exclusive deal, of course. So if you do have a Prime account, you're gonna get this deal. It's only gonna be $33. I'm gonna actually have two or three more, I believe, here. The iPad 10th generation here. This is $299 if you're looking for a tablet for home, for very basic computing here. Things you can do, checking your email, going to certain websites. This is a great little option to have. If you already have a computer and you just want something that gets you away from the computer, this is a great deal. 64 gigabytes. It uses Wi-Fi, and you just connect to the web, and you can do a lot of things there. And so it's a nice thing to use for your podcast. If you have it in a den somewhere, you can put it. There's just so many options with a little tablet like this. So make sure to check it out if you're into Apple. And I wouldn't want to, I'm going to give you guys something else in a second, but before I do that, I just want to show you this one last thing, and then I have the official last one here that I want to show you, which is a personal favorite of mine. But anyway, so this here is a portable charger with a built-in cable. This is really cool stuff here, and it has, it has the different cables here, so you can plug in an iPhone, you can plug in an Android phone, and I honestly don't even know what this is over here, but I believe there's different options here for you to plug in. But you can also use USB, and so there's just you can't go wrong with this. And the good thing is that it charges itself. It uses solar, so if you want to put it behind your car, or you want to put it somewhere or near the window, depending on where you live, this is a great thing. So you got Type-C connection here, you got USB, micro cable, and with the solar panel, it even has a flashlight. So, you can't go wrong with this. This is a good thing to have for emergency. So if you're having, if there's some type of power outage or anything like that, this is your guy. So the last deal that I'm going to have is this one. It's a personal favorite of mine that I personally got. It was this one. It is the Google Pixel tablet. It's really cool. And it's only $299. It's the cheapest you can get it right now. I don't know if it's going to go and it's going to be any lower or anything like that coming Black Friday, but this is pretty low. I mean, I've been looking at this tablet and I've been kind of hesitant to buy it, but finally I saw it at a great deal that I feel comfortable buying, and I'm gonna buy this one now. And I actually purchased the 256, I believe it was. I'm not sure, But so hopefully this video helped. Let us know what you think about it. Leave us a comment below if you're interested in seeing more videos like this. Of course, I'm going to be working on doing some more Black Friday videos and even holiday videos as well. With really cool deals. So hopefully this helped, and we'll see you in the next video.